Hi, this is TJ from TJ's Art. Today on the Graphics Fairy, I'm sharing my image transfer polymer pen project using the lovely images available with the Premium Graphics Fairy membership. I don't know about you, but I love sending and receiving handwritten correspondence, postcards, notes cards, letters, you name it. There's something so charming about writing out a message to a loved one. Soon I'll be sharing a full how-to craft tutorial on the Graphics Fairy Premium website. But for now, I will tell you these image transfer polymer pens are so simple to make with just a few key supplies. Once you learn the process, it's super easy to add to it and to make it even more special. I experimented with using 3 different base colors of clay for the samples. I used white, pearl, and metallic gold. It's interesting how changing the base color clay can affect the look of your transferred image. I love how the gold turned out. You only see art on one narrow side, which makes transferring the images in this project very forgiving. The image details show up well. I used Graphics Fairy Premium membership imagery from the 6x8 journal cover garden roses, journal cover tab script, and the vintage photo 4x6 cards. The pearl clay gives a very soft sparkle that may be a little difficult to see in the video. The patterns are lovely on the pens. Doesn't it make you want to scribble a note? When the clay is slightly stretched, it gives a crackled appearance that looks vintage. I used blue ink, but you could use any color ink. Black would look nice too. This clay on this pen was white. It's the same art as the gold pen in the background. This is a good example of how changing the clay color affects the look. I added a little clay to finish the bottoms. Visit thegraphicsfairy.com to find beautiful images that are sure to inspire your next project. I hope you enjoyed this Graphics Fairy show and tell. Thanks for watching.